Are you grappling with dandruff, especially with winter on the horizon? Fear not. Today we're delving into some dietary tips that can help combat dandruff and maintain a healthy scalp, even in the chilliest of seasons. First on the docket is hydration. As winter rolls in, it's easy to forget about drinking water. However, staying well hydrated is key to preventing dry skin, including the scalp. Next up, we have omega-3 fatty acids. These powerhouses, found in fatty fish like salmon and flaxseeds, can help reduce inflammation on the scalp, fighting off those pesky flakes. Now let's talk about zinc. This vital mineral, found in abundance in foods like nuts, whole grains, and legumes, is essential for a healthy, dandruff-free scalp. Then there's vitamin A, a crucial component for skin health. Foods rich in this vitamin, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and dark leafy greens, are your scalp's best friend. B vitamins, particularly biotin and niacin, are another scalp savior. They promote healthy skin and hair, and you can find them in whole grains, eggs, and nuts. On to probiotics. A balanced gut microbiome may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting the skin. Yogurt and fermented foods are good sources of these helpful bacteria. Now, a few things to avoid. Sugary and processed foods can trigger inflammation, so reducing them may help alleviate dandruff. Similarly, some people find that reducing dairy intake can improve skin conditions, including dandruff. If necessary, opt for dairy alternatives. Also, steer clear of excess alcohol. Overdoing it on the spirits can dehydrate the body, contributing to skin dryness and consequently dandruff. But there's something you can drink: herbal teas. Chamomile and green tea in particular have anti-inflammatory properties that may benefit your scalp. Don't forget about flax seeds. These little seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and can be easily added to your diet, either on their own or sprinkled on salads and cereals. And last, but certainly not least, fruits and vegetables. A diet rich in these provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall skin health. In wrapping up, remember that dietary changes may take some time to show results, so be patient. And if your dandruff persists or worsens, don't hesitate to consult a dermatologist or healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment options. Your scalp will thank you.